All right, so today we're going to bring a large thermal printer. Now, if you are a salesperson and you're selling stuff through Etsy or Amazon or other stuff, and you need to create labels, this is one of the best ways to actually get labels out. Now, it's going to save you a lot of money because you don't have to buy any ink. It's pretty much it works with thermal, with heat. Uh, Now, this system is large. If you guys can see, it has a large little base in here that you could fit any kind of label size in here from I believe it's like a 3 or 4 inch size. All right, did you guys see that? So it pretty much feeds from one end and it comes on the other end. The thermal gets injected from here. It's actually get burned off from here, from this side. So you feed it from the back to the front. Now to print, there's a couple solutions in here. Yeah, of course, this is going to require power. It's not wireless, all right? So you are going to require power. There's a print button here that will just print the stuff that you have saved. There's an eject button here that will eject the system out, all right? Now, this requires power in the back. There's an off and on button. And also, if you want, you can connect this directly to your laptop or your computer with a Type-C, which is also available. And they give you the extension for it too. If you guys can see that, Type-C and then a Type A. Now, besides that, they give you a small amount of labels and instructions how to do this. And of course, this is Bluetooth or it could be wired too. Like I said, two different options, right? For right now, we're gonna do the Bluetooth, and we're gonna see how do you print a label. So let's go ahead and do that. So what you want to do is you grab your labels, you purchase your labels if you want. All right, I purchased these labels right here, and these are large labels because if you're gonna be shipping out stuff, you want to be able to ship products real quick. This is the best way. Have all your shipping labels directly go into the system. All right, so let's open this up. The label tells you this face down. All right, so this has to go this way. All right, and we're just going to feed it from the back. All right, and it goes in the back here if you guys can see that. Feed it a little bit, right? And it grabbed on. You guys can see it's green. It's ready to go. Now we're going to do the app. All right, you're going to download the app. You could download with the actual barcode that they give you in the actual instructions. Printing out from the actual phone, what you want to do is go in the corner here, and it's going to start searching for a printer, right now, if you guys can see that. So it's going to search, and it found it right there, if you guys can see it. So we're going to click on that one. Now, I do have a label already pre-created. So let's go ahead and go. You could go to settings, and they all the way down. So you could change the colors on the actual label, and it will reflect the actual image. So we're gonna go ahead and hit white, and we do have an image already. All we have to do is go image. So here's my image already of the actual label. So we're gonna stretch it out as much as we can. And for testing purposes, I actually removed the barcodes, and this is pretty much how I wanted to actually send it to the actual system. So all you got to do is go print, and it's going to send the label to the actual printer. Look how fast it did it in a matter of seconds. And this will be your label that you need to set up on your box. So if you're going to ship out a box and you want to get this going from your phone, you could create labels directly. Now let me show you how to create it from your computer. All right, now we're going to create a connection to our computer. So right now, when I plugged it in, this thing came up automatically, and all you have to do is click on it, and it's going to take us directly to a Microsoft area where we're going to be able to download the app for the driver, right? So let's go ahead and download. It gives you Mac, Windows, and the user manual. So we're going to do Windows, and it's going to install the driver. Once we download the driver, we're going to install it and install it. Make sure that the printer is on when you're running it so we can install the driver. Once it's done, you can open up all these things and it's set up in the help. Everything's already installed. There's no application installed. It's just the drivers. That's pretty much it. So all you got to do now when you set up the printer into your system, all you got to do is bring your label up and you hit print, and the printer automatically has everything aligned, especially what it knows what kind of paper you have, 4x6. This is the label. All you have to do is hit print, and it sends it directly to the actual system itself. And then you're set to go. So 2 ways I just showed you that you can do it from your phone, and also you can do it from your computer. Not only would that you can print labels, but you could print actually notes here. So if you have a lot of notes and you sticky notes that you want to set up or something, or instructions that you want to do, you can do all that. Not just labels, you could do a bunch of other things on this machine. Now they sell different color labels, different solutions for it, and they all work the same way and even better. So another great thing that I got this machine for is because I like to do a lot of dioramas, and I'm going to do some stuff that I'm going to show you guys. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. All right, so check this out. I was able to get clear coated paper stickers, if you guys can see that. And now I'm able to actually do a diorama of the actual cart of the van. And if you guys can see, this is something I wanted to do for quite a while. I want to add small details, very effective and clear. You can see it, and this is on a see-through, on a clear one. I actually bought another set of it, so instead of buying the stickers like that they came with, I actually ended up buying the clear version of it, so you guys can see how well this thing works and sticks to everything. All right, so I was able to print it out and able to do something like this with the actual printer, which is great. Now I did buy the larger paper. I bought the stickers, the clear stickers, longer ones, so I could make it a little longer, but it was able to print this out on the actual printer. Very simple to do dioramas and other stuff, not just labels, but also other things I'm working with. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.